How to change your ease on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your ease on TikTok. If you have created your TikTok account and enter your birth date wrong, or if you need to change your ease for any other reason, this simple tutorial is for you. First, open TikTok app and sign into your account. Tap your profile icon at bottom right corner. Then select three-line menu icon at top right. Choose Setting and Privacy. And when you go ahead and open account, you won't see any built-in option to change your account informations, including your birth date. So the alternative way you can follow is simply to report a problem. You can scroll down to the bottom until you see report a problem option. Then you simply need to choose account and profile. Then choose manage account. Here you do not see any option to change your birthday, so you can come back to the same reporting problem section and then tap on chat with us. Here you can easily select the send a message field and then report a problem. So you can easily write your own message, or you can simply copy this message that I have written. That is, hi TikTok, I need to update my TikTok birthday. The current one is incorrect and I would like to change it. I can provide my ID card if necessary. So currently you do not need to upload your ID card. Only if they ask for you, then you can upload. Once written, tap on the send button at bottom right and then submit your request. So TikTok support team will send you some similar questions. You can choose one and find the steps. If not, you can again further send the request, and then TikTok support team will contact you within 2 or 3 days and help you change your ease. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.